My dear students, I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar, for the explanation of lesson 23 from civics for the students of standard 7th. I want to remind you, yesterday I taught you about the equality and kinds of equality. What is the meaning of equality and how many kinds are of equality. Today I want to throw light over vivid topics, and those topics are explained one by one before you. My first topic is equality and dignity. Under this topic, I shall try my best to explain you what is the meaning of equality and what is the meaning of dignity and how equality and dignity are correlated and interdependent. So at first I want to throw light over equality. What is the meaning of equality? Equality means all citizens are equal before law. There should be no discrimination among the citizens on the basis of caste, creed, region, religion, as well as languages. This is the meaning of equality. Equality means all citizens are equal before the law. There should be no discrimination among the citizens on the basis of caste, creed, region, religion, as well as languages. And after that, I want to make my explanation on dignity. What is the meaning of dignity? Dignity means all citizens have right to live with full regard and dignity. All citizens have right to live with full regard and dignity. Their rights will not be captured. Their rights will not be seized. Their rights will not be violated by any other persons as well as governments without any authentic reasons. This is the meaning of dignity. So I think that you have got clear view about equality and dignity. And now I want to tell you, my dear students, about the ways adopted by the government to implement equality. What ways have been adopted by government to provide you equality and dignity? The government has adopted two measures or methods to maintain equality and dignity among the people. Our government has adopted two methods, mainly two methods, to maintain equality and dignity among the citizens, among the people of the country, by making laws. The first method is by making laws, and the government has made many laws to protect people from the problem of inequality. To solve the problem of inequality, our government has made laws. And for example, I want to quote here example, Untouchability Act. According to this act, no person can discriminate any other on the basis of caste. A rule has been implemented, a law has been made to maintain dignity and equality. And according to this rule, no person has get right to discriminate with any other persons in the society. Now, next explanation. If any person is found doing so, I mean he is playing the role of discrimination and he is found guilty, certainly he will be given punishment under the Untouchability Act. And Second topic, our government has developed several programs and schemes to maintain the dignity of the people, and under these programs, under these schemes, there is arrangement for the students to provide them midday meal. They take midday meal sitting together in the classroom, and due to this, the discrimination, the problems of discrimination is solved. So today that's all, and hope I shall see you on next day. So thanks, my dear students.